Hi, I'm Dave.
And I'm Jenny.
And we are on season 3 of Rock the Block.
And this is Block Talk. So, we are playing a game where we have questions that have right and wrong answers. If we get it right, great. If we get it wrong,
Dizzy bat.
dizzy bat. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Let's
All
go.
right,
Ladies
let's
first.
play. Okay, Dave. If I could renovate one room in our house right now, which room would I renovate?
Our main bathroom.
Yep. Winner, winner. I knew you'd get it. I knew you'd get it.
Okay,
That was
okay,
easy.
okay.
That was easy.
You got to start easy. You got to start easy.
I'll give you one. Okay.
Okay. This one's a little tougher.
Okay.
Of the animals on our farm,
Uh-huh.
which am I most like personality-wise?
You are most like?
You better be nice.
Oh, gosh.
Because if you're wrong, you do the dizzy bat. Don't say it.
Earl. You knew it's Earl.
No, it isn't.
Yes!
Dizzy bat. I'm like Dora.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh gosh, it's very dizzying.
Okay.
Whew,
I got a
okay.
feeling I'm not going to even get a turn at the dizzy bat.
Oh. Whew. Okay, Dave. Okay, what is our Rock the Block team name or couple name? Kind of like, you know, like combining our names together.
DJ? Team DJ?
I was thinking Jenny.
Denny?
Like Dave and Jenny.
You're not going to make me right.
Yeah, go. I'm still dizzy from it, actually.
Denny.
I just made it up. I don't know. No, you have to put the thing on the ground. You're cheating. Yes.
Is that good?
That's good. Okay. Oh man, I'm like so. Whew.
Okay.
If I could trade you for a different Rock the Block partner, who would I choose?
John from New Kids on the Block.
He's not. No, it has to be one of the other players.
Oh, I thought for anyone else.
So like
Leslie?
No. I mean, I love you, Leslie, but she can't build anything. That wouldn't help me out.
Wait, so while I'm doing this, who would it be?
Probably Evan.
Oh yeah, Evan can build a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead. You're up.
Where was our
Are you okay?
Where was our first date?
Chicago. Dinner.
Where?
Oh, the Greek
Where?
restaurant. The Greek restaurant.
What's it called?
I don't know what it's called. I can't. You don't even know what it's called. No. Hey, stop it.
It is
Dave Mars, you're just gonna make something up.
the Acropolis. How could I think of that on the fly like that?
Because you just made it
Acropolis.
up. Okay.
You still got it wrong. Which Rock the Block team intimidates me most?
Intimidates you?
Yeah, me.
Egypt and Mike.
No.
No? Keith and Evan.
Yeah, they can build anything. They're good.
I gotta go do it.
Go.
Okay.
This is a 3-spinner right here.
No, you know I have a lot of motion sickness issues.
We'll just go slow. Well, don't step on the metal edge.
Dave?
That was like a quarter turn.
Okay, who said I love you first?
This guy right here.
Okay, good job.
I'm a romantic.
Yeah.
She didn't say it back.
Actually, yes, I did. Which of our farm animals is my favorite?
Your favorite farm animal?
So hard. It's like choosing my favorite child.
Gosh. I would say Larry, LLAMA. He's the ugliest animal in the world. I'm just gonna say it. But
in a cute way.
no, just ugly. But she loves things that are no. Wait a minute. No, she doesn't. She does not love things that are ugly. She loves animals that are ugly.
I'm done. That's my last question.
This
Yeah.
is my last question.
Okay.
You started.
You didn't even. That's not even fair. You didn't hardly spin at all.
That's because I'm a winner.
I should have not. Okay.
Don't hate the player, hate the game. Which space in our Rock the Block house am I most excited about?
You're most excited about?
You know.
I know. The kids, the third floor.
Yep. I love doing kid spaces. Love it. And that's
job.
it.
Oh shoot! I was gonna throw mine dramatically, but I just dropped them. Hang on. Dramatic throw.
Good job.
Good job.
Love you.
Love you.